Hope you are fine. Dr. Ateeq here. Today we will discuss the root cause of dental diseases, that is dental plaque. Dental plaque is basically accumulation of bacteria over the teeth surfaces, and the bacteria utilize sugar from our diet and convert it into acid that is harmful to our teeth as well as to our gums. And also these bacteria produce special sulfur compounds that create a bad breath environment in our oral cavity. So in this video we will discuss how to prevent or remove dental plaque at home with two easy home remedies. So first of all, dental plaque, that is basically a soft layer of bacteria residing over our teeth surfaces, especially the outer surfaces of teeth enamel, can be easily damaged by accumulation of bacteria that produce acid over the teeth surfaces, resulting in cavity formation, sensitivity, bad breath, bleeding gums, and a lot of problems from accumulation of bad bacteria in our mouth. Usually, we prefer mechanical removal of plaque with the help of toothbrushes, flossing between the teeth, and some prefer water flossers. But in addition, we need extra care with the help of these two home remedies, which are very useful, and you can easily remove plaque with the help of these remedies. Number one, that is very important and very efficient in plaque removal, is oil pulling. Oil pulling is very old method and is very effective even in regrowing your gums back, in addition to stopping bleeding from the gums, prevention of tooth decay, bad breath, and multiple other oral problems. Basically, oil pulling is one remedy that can resolve all your problem easily. So, how to use oil for improving the oral hygiene? So, first of all, oil is you can use easily as you use your mouthwash. Just put 1 teaspoon of oil early in the morning, empty stomach before brushing in your mouth, and then swish around your mouth for at least 5 minutes. The oil act as a magnet and attract all the bad bacteria residing in your oral cavity, and when you spit it out, all bad bacteria will flush out from your mouth. Important thing in it is that you must avoid swallowing the oil as it contains lots of bad bacteria. So just use for 5 to 10 minutes. Ideal time is 10 minutes, but initially if you use it for 10 minutes, your muscles can be fatigued. Your muscle have to overwork, and in the initial phase of oil pulling, it's very difficult to use it for longer duration. So start with 2 to 3 minutes and then increase the duration with the passage of time so that your muscles become adaptable to this oil pulling method. Also, your facial profile will improve after oil pulling. Your lips become pink and your gums also growing back after 6 months of oil pulling, especially with coconut oil. The older method of using oil pulling is with coconut oil. Other oils can also be used, just like sesame oil, sunflower oil, but coconut oil has its own advantages, especially it's lighter in weight. You can easily swish around your mouth. Number two, it contains special lauric acid, that is antimicrobial, antibacterial, kill bad bacteria in your mouth and promote the health of your oral cavity. So this is a very easy and very predictable method of keeping your oral hygiene to next level, and very cheap method you can easily use at your home. And the second method is also very common and very important too. That is use of clove oil or clove powder. Clove, in our terminology in dentistry, also called as eugenol, that is potent anti-inflammatory, inhibit prostaglandins in our body that cause inflammation. So use of eugenol or clove can inhibit swelling, inflammation, pain from our teeth as well as from gums, and can cure the problem of gingivitis and bad breath, especially because clove has special spicy smell and can refresh your mouth. So a very easy method, you must quit the chemicals in your toothpaste and you can use a natural toothpaste with this easy method. Just mix one pinch of clove powder with 2 pinch of fenugreek, fenugreek powder, 2 pinch of fenugreek powder and 1 pinch of clove powder. Mix it thoroughly and then use a simple way of use wet toothbrush. Place this powder over the toothbrush and use in gently over your teeth surfaces. This method is very effective in removal of dental plaque from all the surfaces of our teeth and reverse the problem of gingivitis, gum disease, gum bleeding, and especially chronic bad breath can easily be resolved with this easy method. And last, that is very important tip of the today video is cut down sugar from your diet. Use less sugar containing diet, avoid chocolates, cold drinks, and keep your mouth healthy, moisturized with fresh fruits, fresh vegetables. That is more important. So, hopefully, this video will be informative to you as you will like this after using these two home remedies of oil pulling and cloves. Cloves are very important also in your other health matters, and you can you can feel the difference in your body after eating one clove per day. It's also a magic way of keeping your body disease free and in healthy condition. So subscribe and share the channel so that others can also be benefited from this video. If any question related to this, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.